do?
You get started, you get one of these mini seedless watermelons from the grocery store, so we're keeping it mini this year.
Keeping it mini.
And you just cut off the top quarter.
Okay.
And now look, you've already got a girl shape.
Okay.
So you start balling it out.
Yeah.
And you want to ball it down about halfway, maybe 3/4 of the way. You don't want to get too close to the bottom because you're going to be putting stuff inside. You also want to save the lid, and that's going to be pretty important later. So you want to ball that all out, make it not heavy. I have the next step already done for us.
Fabulous. I was getting bored balling.
I know. We're done. We're done balling.
We're going to be editing that out. Okay,
so
now what?
Our next step, as we know, every good girl has grates. So I've started some here for us, but every good girl also has charcoal, and we came up with a cute little idea. What's a dark?
That's adorable.
A small little dark fruit is some blackberries.
Blackberry charcoal.
So before you finish all of the grates, you go 3/4 of the way, and then you fill the little space with blackberries.
Charcoal.
Because, you know.
That's adorable.
Get the charcoals
I told you,
ready.
she's like touched. It's crazy how talented you are with this.
It's a skill I didn't know before I worked here, and I would have never known. I would have
grilling her for more watermelon ideas.
You are. So, all right, so you fill that up so it looks all dark inside.
And she's engaged.
I
You better have some watermelon at that wedding.
I will, I promise, I will. I know. It's under a month now. It's crazy.
Amazing.
I know, it's exciting.
Congratulations.
Thank you. So, okay, so I have mini skewers, but you can get regular skewers and just cut them.
Right.
So you're gonna stick them across. It's fun using the clippers, isn't it?
Yeah, you just clip them to fit.
Clip them to fit. And if you've got some edges, actually, remember that toy when you were a kid where you used the hammer and you knocked the pegs in?
Yeah.
Just take the back of the melon baller so there's no sharp edges, kind of knock them in.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. And then a girl's got to stand up, right?
Yeah.
So we've got all of our grates. They're going to hold the blackberries in.
Right.
You're going to flip it over on the table. And then we're going to give this 3 legs. So
Okay.
you're kind of cutting like a bowling ball, like 2 fingers and a thumb.
Okay.
You're going to punch it once, punch it twice, get a little muscle in it.
Okay.
Punch it 3 times. And then it looks like that underneath.
Gotcha.
And I think you're really gonna like what we used for the legs because we tested a couple different things. Celery didn't really hold, so we went with the next.
I love that she tested a couple of things.
Every time Rachel's walked in the kitchen for the past, couple days, you're like, you're still cutting melon?
Yeah.
You're still cutting melon.
It was an ocean.
It's
like carts and carts of test
watermelon.
melons.
But I think we came up, this is definitely my favorite one. We've got carrots.
Carrots wins!
And they're cut on a bias. They're cut on the bias.
Cut on a bias.
And you're gonna stick the pointy end in and make sure that the bias edge is in so that it will stand.
Okay.
So you stick them in,
Right.
and then you're gonna flip it over and hope it stands up.
Oh!
So there you go.
You are ridiculous.
We are on our way. So now, I know that you like to, every time we do this, you always say that I do weird things to fruit. I did have all these grapes for us for teeny tiny baby skewers. So
don't take the time to do that at home.
It was fun.
Smack you if you.
It was
No, I'm
fun.
just kidding.
Look how sweet they are.
Look how tiny. They're adorable.
Everyone's grilling.
I do not have the patience to do this step.
That's why she's got me.
That's why we know each other. So I don't
That's why
have to
she
do
knows
this.
me. So
but it's brilliant. Look,
we've
how
got
adorable.
cute little skewers because it's summertime. Everybody's making kebabs on their grill. You've got
Jeanette, you have
recipes.
outdone yourself, my darling.
Thank you.
That
Thank you.
is adorable.
Wait, we're not done.
We're not done.
We've got lids.
We're not done.
Every girl has a little lid. So we took the end of that carrot, so we didn't waste all of it.
Right.
And you're gonna stick a toothpick or a cut skewer.
Right.
There and one there.
Here.
And then.
And here.
Right there, and then you're just gonna push that on.
That is so cute.
And that is this year's summer barbecue centerpiece.
Adorable! Yay!